Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix resolution in Virtualbox. Alright, so first of all, if this video is going to help you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. And now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do is to click on devices, and here you click select insert guest additional CD image. Click on it, and now here this PC, this is what you should see. You should see VirtualBox guest additions. Now click on it, and then click on Windows Additions AMD 64, and now allow. Click on next, install. That's what you have to do. This is very important in order to make this work. And right now you can reboot, that's for sure. Reboot now. Now what you have to do, let me put my password. Now if I want to resize this, now this should work now. Okay, so if I go to display settings, and now I click on resolution and keep changes. Okay, now it works. Okay, now it's full screen, as you can see. Everything works fine. I hope this video helped you fix this problem. And thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions for the next Windows tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. I'm going to create a tutorial if you leave any suggestions. Please do, and also don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. I will really appreciate that. Thank you and take care.